Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. Today I will explain how to multiply roots. To multiply roots, we need to have the same index. Yes, we need to have the same index. In all my videos, actually, I'm going to show all of them. I'm going to show you all of them by using the same index. But this is something important I want you to know. Okay, I want to let you know. How do we multiply roots? Well, what we have to do is like multiply all the terms or things that we have out of the roots, and then we multiply in one root, all the things that are inside the roots or the radicals. I'm going to explain to you. Here in the first example, we don't have anything out of the roots. We can use a property that says, this is the property I'm going to use, that if we have the square root of a times the square root of b, this is general, this is equal to the square root of a times b. This is the property I'm going to use in all the exercises. Okay, so let's begin. Square root of 3 times square root of 6 is the same than the square root of 3 times 6. And this is the same than the square root of 18. But it said simplify. Remember, we have to simplify the root. How do we simplify the root? So we take the 18. Yes, remember, this is the way. This is equal. We do the prime factorization. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 18 is the same than 3 squared times 2. So 18 is equal to 3 squared times 2. Remember the property, if we have something inside the radical that is the same than the index, we can take that thing out. So the final answer is going to be 3 square root of 2. Yes, in the simplest form, because it says simplify. I'll use the same strategy for the second example. I will multiply the things that we have out. 4 times 2 is 8. And then I will put inside a root the two things or the two numbers that we have inside the root. 6 times 8. 6 times 8. So this is equal to 8. Square root of 6 times 8 is 48. Then we have to simplify the root. So we do prime factorization. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. I make groups of two numbers because the index is 2. So this is 2 squared. This is 2 squared. So I can say that this is equal to 8 square root of 48. But 48 is the same than 2 squared times 2 squared times 3. Remember the property. I can take these two out. So that is equal 8 times these two out. And then I can take out these two as well. So times 2. And inside I have to keep square root of 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 8, 32. So the final answer, or the answer in the simplest form, is 32, the square root of 3. This is the way we work or we multiply radicals or roots. In the second video, I'm going to show you how that works, but with variables, all right? Thanks for watching Simple Math, and see you in the second video. Bye-bye.